Hi everyone, this is Isratmaria. So today I'm not just sharing a makeup tutorial, but today I'm sharing it's a story of a womanhood. I feel like being a woman is very tough and challenging every day. Every day we need to go through a lot to fulfilling this true expectation. Every woman when they start their life as a young woman, they need to sacrifice their wish to maintain their life in this society. Sometimes they are tested, sometimes they need to prove themselves in the family, life, career, and also their beauty. Why they need to be perfect in every way? Still, no human being is perfect, but as a woman, you need to be perfect. You struggle to build your life, build yourself, whole life, but still you're compared by other women or men. But nowadays, the worst thing is mostly women are bullied and harassed by other women. So this is the thing. If as a woman you need to get respect from a man, first we need to recognize the part we play. If today we don't treat other women with dignity and respect, tomorrow we can be insulted by our men or our daughter. Because for me, always in this journey of success, I have never tried to pull down any other woman, because I believe the success of any woman should be inspiration of another. We should raise each other up, not pulling each other down. We cannot be jealous of each other. We can be envy to each other, and we can help